How to change language in NotebookLM. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open NotebookLM and open any of your files. If you just want to change language of the file, click on Settings at the top, which is on the right side. Then you will find these options. Click on Output Language. After you have clicked on Output Language, click on Choose Your Language. And you'll find different languages in here. Select the language you want. Then, scroll down and click on Save at the bottom. After you have saved, the result will be in that language. But if you want to change everything in the Google or any browser, you can click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Manage your Google account, which will lead you to this page. In here, on the left side, click on Personal Info. In Personal Info, you'll find Search Bar at the top. Click on Search Bar and search for language. Click on Language Personal Info. In here, click on the pencil icon beside Language, which is Change Language. Then enter your language and select the one. Select again and press on Save at the bottom. After you've saved, everything is good and you're good to go. This is how to change language in NotebookLM. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.